Now we're going to look at how to use hot potatoes to create a crossword puzzle. At the entry screen, you'll select the JCross potato. And if you try to do this by hand, it can be very tedious and time-consuming. But if you look up at the top in the menu bar, there is an item called Manage Grid. Select that, and you'll notice the first option says Automatic Grid Maker. By selecting that, all you have to do is enter each word or phrase on a separate line. So I'm going to enter the words that are going to be on my crossword puzzle. And that's more than enough right there, and I'll click Make the Grid. And there is how the words will play out vertically and horizontally. Then all you have to do is click Add Clues, write clues for the words entered into the grid. Clicking on that, you just click to select one of your words and then click in the little box underneath and enter your information. Once you have it entered, your hint or whatever it is, your clue, you'll hit OK and it'll appear next to it. I'm going to finish entering the rest. Okay, and then I have just entered my last definition or my last clue, and I'll hit OK. And then I'll hit OK down here. Notice I have them all entered. And the last thing you have to do is, just like always, save the project. I'll save that to the desktop. We'll call this I'll just call it Crossword for now. By saving it in that manner, I can now open it up back in the Hot Potatoes program, and I can make edits and add words or take away words or change my definitions or whatever I need to do. To get it ready for the people who are going to play the crossword game, I'm going to use this button right here that says Export to a web page. And again, notice it's an HTML file. That's a web page file. I'm going to call it Crossword. Again, no spaces in your file names if it's going to be a web page file, and then hit Save, and we'll view it. And this is what it looks like. The instructions say complete the crossword, then click Check, which is right down here, to check your answer. If you are stuck, you can click on Hint to get a free letter. Click on a number in the grid to see the clue or clues for that number. So you play it by clicking on the number 1, and it gives you the clue, the brain of the computer. You can enter it if you know it, or you can click for a hint. And you can actually fill out the crossword puzzle, but you won't get any points for always hitting hint. So I'll go to number 2. A test the computer conducts when it's turned on. So I know that. I type the word and hit enter, and it goes in. So that's how you create a crossword puzzle.